Today, we're going to talk about how people make decisions online. For a long time, most content was designed to push people into saying yes as fast as possible. But things have changed. People are smarter now. They can tell when they're being sold to, and they don't like it. So instead of pushing people, the better approach is to help them decide. That's what we call the advisor approach. It's about being helpful, honest, and building trust instead of pressure. This is Steve Colino, and this is Confidential Remarks. Right now, there are two main ways people create content. The first way is like a salesperson. Everything is about getting a quick yes. The second way is like an advisor, helping someone actually think and decide. Both are making content, but they feel very different. And people watching can tell the difference easily. So the real question is, which one do you want to be? This slide shows what happens when you mix old school sales tactics with modern videos or avatars. You get loud buttons, act now messages, and too many things fighting for attention. It becomes messy and confusing. Instead of helping, it distracts people. When that happens, people stop trusting what they're seeing. Here's the difference in a simple way. A salesperson is trying to get a yes. An advisor is helping someone decide. A salesperson only shows the good parts. An advisor shows both the good and the bad. A salesperson pushes, an advisor explains. And because of that, people react differently. They ignore salespeople, but they listen to advisors. First rule: remove all the extra salesy stuff. That means big buttons, flashy messages, and anything screaming for attention. Instead, keep things clean and simple. Let the speaker or video explain what to do. When things are less crowded, it's easier for people to focus and understand. Second rule: stop using fake urgency. Things like countdown timers or limited spots might look exciting, but people don't trust them anymore. They know it's a trick. Instead, be calm and honest. When things feel real and not rushed, people trust you more. Your content should help people think, not pressure them. Start by explaining the situation. Then show the facts. Then explain the pros and cons. Finally, guide them through what it all means. When people feel guided instead of pushed, they pay more attention. Instead of only talking about the good parts, show both the positives and the negatives. This might feel risky, but it actually builds trust. People feel like you're being honest, and that makes them more likely to listen to you. One of the most powerful things you can do is say, "This isn't for everyone." When you do that, people stop feeling pressured. It shows you're being real, not just trying to sell, and that actually makes people trust you more. Here's something interesting. When you push people, they push back. But when you guide them, they relax and listen. Sales tactics make people defensive. Advisor-style content makes people open. That's the big difference. Even charts should be simple and easy to understand. Don't try to make them look overly impressive. Just make them clear. And leave space so the speaker can explain what they mean. When you put it all together, the goal is simple. No pressure, no tricks. Just clear, honest information and guidance. You're helping someone make a decision, not forcing them into one. Here's the main idea to remember. Salespeople want you to say yes. Advisors help you decide. People today trust advisors more. So the real question is, are you trying to push people or help them? This has been Confidential Remarks.